At least 620 polling stations countrywide will not commence the display of the National Voters Register. Simon Byabakama, the Electoral Commission chairman, has said this while addressing journalists at the Commission offices in Kampala. Byabakama said that the affected polling stations have some glitches that need to be corrected before their registers can be displayed.
Those technical issues in our systems, and we make sure we produce the registers for the 620 polling stations in 15 scattered in 15 districts of the country. But I want to assure the people in those areas that there is no way the Electoral Commission is going to fail to conduct the display. What we are going to do is to adjust the period for you, because you have not started today with the other polling stations in the country, which means your display exercise is likely to start as and when we announce that now we are ready. However, we shall conduct it for 21 days in those polling stations. The data is safe.
They include Arua City, Buikwe, Buvuma Islands, Fort Portal, Kampala, Chikube, Kasanda, Kiryandongo, Kitagwenda, Masaka City, Mbarara City, Mitiyana, Mpigi, Mukono, and Wachiso have the affected polling stations. Byabakama promised that as soon as the technical glitches are sorted, the display of the National Voters Register in those areas will commence. The display of the Voters Register is scheduled to run from April 25th to May 15th. He said that registers for youth, persons with disabilities, and other persons will be displayed from April 25th to May 8th this year.
We have to produce this register, the final register, for all the elections, starting with the special interest groups elections, for the youth, older persons, persons with disabilities. And as I say, according to the roadmap, those elections are supposed to start around June of this year. We are supposed to have nominations for parliamentary candidates on the 16th and 17th of September this year. And all these activities require that the register must be ready. The voters register must be ready. That's why we are imploring and appealing to all Ugandans, all those citizens who are registered voters, please go and check for your particulars on these polling stations, on the registers of these polling stations.
He revealed that no new applications or transfers will be allowed during this exercise.
Now, for Ugandans living outside, the law now allows them to vote, but they vote from the parishes of their residence or origin in Uganda, since they reside elsewhere. So now they can only vote on the basis of the parishes